On today's episode, I'm gonna make a well-known na ulam ng mga taga Bacolod. Ito ang tinatawag nilang Mang Inasal. So guys, sa lahat ng mga mami dyan, ate, kuya, ipakita ko po sa inyo ang aking Bacolod style Mang Inasal on the next video. So see you guys! Mga ingredients, first is yung garlic, ginger, brown sugar, I use 1/2 cup, salt and pepper, 2 cups of soy sauce, and then 1 cup of vinegar, and of course yung ating chicken na legs and thigh together, 3 pieces ang gamit ko. So sa Mang Inasal, ang kailangan po natin para tawagin natin siyang pinaka-secret na ingredients para manood yung lasa is you need to have a fresh calamansi, and you need to use it than the powder calamansi or the frozen one. Better to have a fresh one. Sa one bowl, ilagay po natin lahat yung ating mga ingredients sa marination. First yung ginger. Next is yung garlic. So, i-mix lang natin siya. Then, next is yung ating calamansi. So, i-mix lang natin siya para yung lasa. Then, next is yung sugar, brown sugar. Then, stop. Next is yung mga liquid na. So, yung ating 2 cups of soy sauce. Vinegar, pepper, then yung salt, mga 1 teaspoon. Then after that, mix mo lang siya. So, I'm gonna make the chicken oil na ipahid natin siya. Lulutuin natin mamaya. I'm gonna fry the chicken pan. Then, put some butter. Ito na yung oil na pinafry na natin ng fat. So we're gonna put ananas powder of Manamit. So po ang ating grill. It's ready and ready. Okay. So, habang nag-barbecue kayo, pahiran mo lang siya ng anato na ginawa ko kanina. Yung gagawin natin fats from the chicken. So, pahiran mo sa every side. So, looks like you bring the food from Bacolod here. So, yummy. Ayun na siya, guys. See you later.